So first heading one will take number 1. Are you guys getting? Hello. For example, in your term paper, hello guys, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in your term paper, the first heading will be introduction, है ना? Then materials method will be the 2, and 3 will be results and discussion, 4 will be conclusion, and 5th will be references. So in between again under those you will have heading 2, 3 as per desire, है ना? So here if we when we do it actually multi-level list, this all the headings took, but to do the number, but we don't want a numbering at the beginning of table of contents. So we just removed it by clicking the deselecting the numbering option. But if you'll go down, if I'll go down, you will see in now introduction has got number 1 point. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
You will see the others already automatically numbered. 1.1, that heading 2 I took. This is heading 2. Slowly will look. Okay, so it has now gone down to 60 kb per second. Slowly figure 1 is there. Now you will see heading 2 again, 1.2. Can you see? 1.2. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is automatic. Everything is done. So now what we'll do, we will create the table of contents. Go to the second page where we left actually before, that is heading table of contents. Okay. Can you see that cursor is blinking where we kept our cursor and we hit the page break?
Yes, sir.
So keep your cursor before the page break and after that table of content heading. So that is the space where we are going to insert table of contents. Automatically it will insert because we have created our document with using all the formatting options of the Microsoft Word. ठीक है ना? So how to do that? Keep your cursor where you want to insert the basically these are references only. Wherever the you have the created references numberings, so it will automatically take them. So to do so, keep your cursor where you want to insert and go to references tab on the ribbon. Can you see after the fifth option is fifth what do you call tab is references. First one is file, home, insert, page layout, and then
The references.
references. If you click that, then you will see on the left, by top left, you got that table of contents option. Then from the drop down menu, if you'll see there is a drop down triangle, you click the triangle beside the table of contents, you'll get a lot of options. It says you can choose built-in, automatic table 1, automatic table 2, but I want my own insert table of content without any choosing this built-in ones. So what I will choose is I will choose this one, insert table of contents, second from last. Okay guys,
Yes, sir.
if you click that it will open this, and only thing you have to change here is the label. So labels here, how many labels we have used up to heading 3 or heading 4? Hello.
Heading 3.
Right, so the label is 3. If you use any document, more than 4 labels are not basically preferred. So always keep less than 4 or less than equal to 4. Okay, so here we have only used 3 labels, so it's 3 is already there, so there is no problem. Don't change any other things, only change this label and say okay. Say can you hear guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
if you have used label 4, then you choose type here 4, otherwise 3 is enough for our case here. So I'll say okay. See how it arranged everything with page number. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Now next page, if you want, you can even if I can now hit a page break here, insert page break again, just after the reference this particular table of contents, and then go to next page, and I can list of figures also I can create list of figures. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
List of
Yes.
figures. Then I will just hit twice so that that cursor actually, that paragraph actually gives us an opportunity to insert list. Hello.
Yes, sir.
List of figures, I will make it heading 1. Okay, and I will just change the numbering. Can you see? I'll just deselect the numbering. Can you see list of figures without numbering written
Yes,
here? Below that, I will insert the figure, the list of figures. How to do that? Go to references again. Okay. On the right, can you see captions written there? Captions. This is the panel where you see captions. Sub panel of references. This is caption here. My cursor, can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Captions. And in that again, insert table of figures. Insert what?
Table of figures.
So I'll click that. You will see the same thing. Only thing here you have to change, if it is table, then you caption label you have to make table here. Otherwise you don't change anything. Here I'm changing again and again. You just from the drop down menu, either it is a table, figure, equation, whatever it is, scheme. It is figure, so I won't actually change it. By default it is a figure, so I'll say okay. Can you see figure 1 and figure 2 listed here? Not yet.
Yes, sir.
It is seen here now.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So now this is done. So now only thing is it is showing page numbers, but we don't have page numbers anywhere on our document. Can you see? Automatically computer is actually recognizing it, but we don't have page numbers, and we don't want page number on the first page. Do we? Do we
No,
need a page? No, no.
no.
So what we'll do is, see guys, I'll just double click on the footer of the first page. This is the first page, am I right? Title page. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'll go to the footer, means the end of the first page, and double click on that. It will open the footer section. Not only footer, header also. Can you see this? Footer section 1. Hello.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see? And you scroll down. If I scroll down, you will see it is saying header section 2. And also go down later more, then it will see, you will see footer section 2. Then the section number 2 continuously you will see in all pages, because only one time only we took that section break. Okay, section break was done only after the first page. Okay guys. Hello.
Okay, sir.
So now while keeping my cursor on the footer of the first page, can you see my cursor is blinking here? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So मैं क्या करूंगा while doing so, if you look at header, footer and tools. Header and footer tools. It is by default, as soon as you double click on the footer, these tools will appear. This is a basically design tool. So I want this different first page. What I want? Different
First
hello
page.
If I select that, so that footer, this first page will not take anything that you change in the next section. It won't take anything there. The first page footer is always different than others. So now next thing is, it is written in the next section 2 header, next page, it says same as previous. This header, if I type anything, it will take the header of the first page, because headers are continuous always by default. Headers are what? Hello?
Continuous.
By default, but you can change it. Now we don't want any header similar to first page. In this, in the next page in table of contents, we don't want header similar to
Previous page.
Why? Because the first page title page does not contain a running title or header. So we don't want that. So what we'll do is, while keeping cursor on the header section 2, I will go and see here design again. You will see it is says link to previous is highlighted. Can you see here? It is orange. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I will just deselect that. As soon as you deselect, you see here the same to previous option is gone. Link to previous, है ना? Same as previous is gone. Now I can type whatever I want. I can type here table of contents. What is that? Table of
Content.
Contents.
Because this particular section is table of contents, so I will just keep this table of content, है ना? So now, but if you look at this table of content is running everywhere in the next section. So then you have to put section breaks after table of list of figures. You put section break. I am not doing now. Okay, let me remove this header now for the time being, because I have to again work for more time. I don't want to, because we have to finish within 7 minutes. Okay, so I'm just giving you some idea. So you want to, if you want to have a running title, then here you want to have a running title here over in the header, that is introduction section. Then you can double click here and you can ask the computer to remove this same as previous. To do that, then you have to make a different section here. So after this list of figures, instead of page break, you can make a section break here. Are you guys getting? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Section break allows you to create different different formatting for that particular section. So if you want a different formatting for introduction section, then you have to make a section break rather than a page break. But I want to introduce page number starting from page 2. That is the table of contents. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what I'll do is, I'll go to footer. I'll keep my cursor here at the middle and I will ask. Okay, so it is also continuously. Okay, same as previous. It is saying same as previous. Okay, so it will take that. Then I have to also remove this same as previous link to previous option from here. See, footer, it is saying same as previous. I have to delink it. Okay, guys, can you see? Link to previous option is now deselected. So now I will go to home. I choose alignment text right. Then I will put my page number. Are you following me, guys?
Yes, sir.
It is too hard. I know it is a very small time period and we are learning so many things. But if you are recording, you can see it later. I will be there always if you want help. Okay, but you, first of all, you listen to it carefully, and I know if you use your imagination, you can find everything in this software, whatever you imagine. You want to
Yes, sir.
put page numbers in the vertical wise or horizontal wise, whatever you want, it can allow you to do that. Only thing is you have to imagine whatever you imagine. You want to imagine, struggle in your life, you will struggle always. You want actually, you imagine about, solutions, because in nature always there is solution. Similarly, the softwares also, they are created by humans with so many things, with consideration of so many things. So they have provided most of the stuffs. What I have done is, I want to see my numbers on the right side of the page or in the middle. Accordingly, you can center. If you want to see at the center, you can choose the center alignment. Where you want to have? Can anybody tell? Hello? It depends on you. It's not mandatory that you all should follow the same formula. Hello?
In the right side.
Okay, let me put it the right, and then I'll go to insert again and go to, can you see design tool, header and footer tools, design? There is page number. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Page number, है ना? Then page number drop down menu, you will see current position. Go to current position, okay? Because I have put my cursor already where I want. Then the plain number, simple plain number I want to choose. I'll choose that one. Can you see it started from 2?
Yes, sir.
The first page you see, is there in number? First page footer, is there any number?
No, sir.
It is not there. So if you look at, then if you just click outside the footer, that means in the text, you will see every page has got a number now. Up to the references. Page number 10. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Only thing is, now I did not tell you how to insert references using EndNote. In the next class, can anybody, one of you, if you can install Microsoft Office Word 2010 or above and EndNote X4 on your computer, and can you bring that to the class so that I can tell you maybe on Tuesday?
Sure, sir.
Huh? Who is going to bring that computer? And you show me and I'll tell you. I'll actually guide you guys and you can do that. If all of you will bring your computer and you can do that easily, you can do that. And I will provide it. Do you want this matter so that you can practice, or you want to practice on your own material?
No, sir. In the class.
So we want to practice with you.
Okay. So next class, do you think you want to practice this? Do you want this material?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am now not saving all this. Okay, I am just telling that don't save. Okay, I'll share this folder with you so that you can practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. It's going to be 18:30 now. So I want to go and have my dinner. Okay. You also,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
you practice it yourself, and if you have any trouble, please ask me anytime.
Sure, sir.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.